Hello, in this video I will show you how to convert PDF to a Word document. Now it's a very easy process. So as you can see, this is a PDF document that I have and this is the location of the PDF document. Now I'm going to show you exactly how to convert this into a Word document. So for what you have to do is open a browser and just simply search PDF to Word over here. Then just simply search for a website called I Love PDF, as you can see right over here. Click on this link. Now just simply drag and drop your PDF file onto the website, just like this, as you can see right over here. Now wait for a few seconds and click on Convert to Word. Now wait for a few seconds again and click on Download Word. So just simply choose a location and save the download. And then when the download process is complete, you can just simply see the Word document right over here. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.